The iPad Fold, Future of Tablets. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, innovation continues to drive the market forward. One such innovation that has been eagerly anticipated is the advent of foldable devices, and Apple seems poised to lead the charge with its exploration of the iPad Fold. Combining the convenience of a tablet with the versatility of a foldable design, the iPad Fold holds the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. In this video, we'll take a closer look at everything that you need to know about this groundbreaking development. Unprecedented form factor. The iPad Fold heralds a paradigm shift in the realm of tablet design with its unprecedented form factor. Departing from the conventional flat states, the foldable display introduces a new dimension of versatility and portability. This innovative approach enables users to seamlessly transition between folded and unfolded models, catering to diverse usage scenarios. Folded. The device becomes remarkably compact, fitting snugly into pockets or bags, ideal for the on-the-go use. Unfolded, it unveils a spacious canvas that amplifies productivity and creativity, offering an immersive experience akin to larger tablets or even laptops. The fusion of sleek aesthetics and ergonomic design underscores Apple's commitment to redefining the boundaries of tablet technology, setting a new standard for form and function. Enhanced productivity. At the core of the iPad Fold's allure lies its promise for enhanced productivity, empowering users to accomplish more with their devices. The expansive foldable display unlocks a myriad of possibilities, facilitating seamless multitasking and efficient workflow management. Whether it's juggling multiple applications side by side, conducting research while taking notes, or editing documents with precision, the extended screen real estate elevates productivity to new heights. Moreover, the seamless integration of Apple's ecosystem and intuitive user interface further streamlines tasks, ensuring a seamless user experience. Cutting-edge display technology. Central to the iPad Fold's allure is its cutting-edge display technology, poised to deliver an unparalleled visual experience. Apple's exploration of foldable displays up to 20 inches in size promises breathtaking visuals with crisp detail and vibrant colors. The integration of OLED technology further enhances the viewing experience, rendering deep blacks, vibrant hues, and high contrast ratios that bring content to life with stunning realism. This emphasis on visual excellence extends beyond mere entertainment, enhancing productivity and creative endeavors by providing a canvas that is as immersive as it is inspiring. Additionally, Apple's meticulous attention to details ensures that the display not only dazzles with its brilliance, but also delivers reliability and durability, setting a new benchmark for excellence in tablet display technology. Versatile design. One of the most compelling aspects of the iPad Fold is its versatility. Whether folded or unfolded, the device seamlessly adapts to different usage scenarios. Folded, it offers the convenience of a compact device that easily fits into a bag or a pocket. Unfolded, it transforms into a large screen tablet ideal for multimedia consumption, productivity tasks, or creative endeavors. This versatility makes the iPad Fold a versatile companion for work, study, or entertainment. Addressing design changes. While the concept of a foldable iPad holds immense potential, it also presents unique design challenges. Apple's focus on mitigating issues such as display creasing and hinge durability underscores its commitment to delivering a polished product. By collaborating with industry partners and investing in research and development, Apple aims to ensure that the iPad Fold delivers a seamless user experience without compromising on quality or reliability. Future of tablets. As the tech industry continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the iPad Fold emerges as a frontrunner in shaping the future of tablets. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and versatility positions it as a game-changer in the market. While the exact release date of the iPad Fold remains uncertain, its potential to redefine the tablet experience is undeniable. Whether it's transforming how we work, learn, or create, the iPad Fold represents a bold step forward for a more connected and immersive future. In conclusion, the iPad Fold embodies a convergence of form and function, offering users a glimpse into the future of tablet technology. As Apple continues to refine its vision and overcome design challenges, the iPad Fold stands poised to usher in a new era of innovation in the tablet market. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this, and we'll see you in another interesting video.